Welcome to Intelify. Today I'll discuss the World Hepatitis Day. In 2016, governments from all around the world came together to make people and the masses aware about this disease by celebrating World Hepatitis Day on 28th July. The reason why it is celebrated on 28th July is because the scientist who discovered it, Dr. Brook Blumberg, who discovered it, he's a Nobel Prize-winning scientist, and he has discovered the hepatitis B virus, or hepatitis B HBV, which is the abbreviation for the same, and has developed a diagnostic test and vaccine for the virus too. It is his birthday, and that is why we celebrate it on 28th July. In 2016, the entire world came together to succumb the growth of this virus by 2030. We are 10 years away from that goal, and we are sure a little successful. Now, what happens in hepatitis B or hepatitis virus? Hepatitis virus harms the liver. The liver is the main organ of the body, and it is the largest organ of the body. It performs the function of secreting bile, which the bile has one of its function of bile is to convert fats into fatty acids. The liver also creates proteins which are responsible for succumbing the blood or making the blood clots. It also filters the blood and passes it to the rest of the body. There are different types of hepatitis. The different types of hepatitis are A, B, C, D and E, out of which B and C are the most harmful ones. Why are they harmful? Because when they enter the body, they are dormant for the longest time, and till the time the person knows that he or she has the virus, it is already chronic. Type A and E are caused by ingestion of contaminated food and water. Type B, C, D are usually transmitted through infected body fluids. B and C are generally transmitted from person to person through the use of contaminated syringes and contaminated blood, or through sexual contact. If this disease is not detected and not treated on the correct time, it can cause liver cirrhosis, which cannot be undone, but further damage can be prevented. And it can also cause liver cancer. Going further, the reason why World Hepatitis Day is celebrated is because there is a huge stigma revolving around this disease, and people with this disease are boycotted and are deprived from essential services. Patients suffering from this disease should be given proper medical treatment, and also should be given psychosocial treatment for the same. Dr. Anupam Sibal, pediatric and gastroenterologist and group medical doctor from Indraprastha Apollo Hospitals, has expressed that a vaccine is available for type A hepatitis and type D hepatitis, and it is priced normally, but it is not universally administered. Not many people know about this vaccine. Hence, proper knowledge of hepatitis should be administered to the masses. Type C is totally curable, while type B is curable in 95% of the cases. Hence, masses should be totally aware, and proper treatment should be given. Just like the administration or the advertisement or masses were aware about HIV and its symptoms and its treatment, the similar kind of measures should be taken for hepatitis as well. In India, the administrator or the face for this hepatitis disease, or to make people aware about this disease, is Amitabh Bachchan, who also is suffering from hepatitis since a long time. Hygiene maintained during consumption of food and water, careful usage of needles and blood products, washing hands before handling food and water are the basic practices which are required to prevent this disease in the long term. Thank you for watching.